Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best baby sleeping bag that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Baby deedee Sleep Nest brand sleeping sack. The oversized length on this baby sleeping bag means that your child's feet stay nice and warm. Then the secure fit and breathable fabric allow your baby to sleep soundly. Also, the liner is made from 100% polyester. Your child should not be uncomfortable while wearing this sleeping bag. Plus, the cotton outer shell helps make the sleeping bag durable and easy to keep clean. Just do not use bleach when washing in cold water. The snap-on shoulder straps and front zipper work together to make access to the bag simple and easy. The zipper opens from the bottom and goes up. Moving on at number 4, we have the Nested Bean Zen Sack Classic. The adjustable shoulder strap is the unique feature in this baby sleeping bag. You unsnap it and then snap it up when you have a comfortable but secure fit. Then keeping the product clean is easy. Just place it in your washer and let it do all the work. The 100% cotton fabric should be both durable and soft to your baby's touch. Also, you can relax as this baby sleeping bag is BPA and phthalate free as well as being non-toxic. Plus, the fabric is breathable allowing your child to be comfortable as they sleep through the summer nights. A two-way zipper enables easy diaper and other changes. At number 3, we have the Halo Winter Weight SleepSack. Your child does not have to change its regular sleepwear when you use this baby sleeping bag. The sleeveless bag slips on over almost any garment your child is wearing at the time. Also, this baby sleeping bag is great for when the cooler months come. Then the front zipper unzips from the bottom up to make diaper changes a lot easier to complete. If you want to keep your child from overheating, just unzip the zipper a little way and let his or her feet hang out. Plus, the baby sleeping bag is designed to stay on your baby even though he or she tries to kick it off during the night. At number 2, we have the Woolino 4-Season Basic Merino Wool Baby Sleep Bag. Australian wool is a great fabric to clothe your child in. Its 100% natural construction is also naturally fire-resistant and hypoallergenic at the same time. That makes this sleeping bag perfect for those babies with sensitivities. Also, the easy-to-use zipper opens and closes quickly. This allows you to make diaper changes quicker. The soft sleeping bag comes with an organic outer shell to help your child be comfortable all day. Then its 3 sizes give you control over which sleeping bag to purchase. You can use these baby sleeping bags for the first 3 years of your child's life. And finally at number 1, we have the Restcloud Baby Sleep Bag. Extra padding is used to make sure your baby stays nice and protected when they are wearing this sleeping bag. A cotton lining and outer shell provide the comfort your baby needs. In addition to this, the cotton fabric is completely organic. Also, a 3-way zipper system allows you to get your baby in and out of the bag quickly. They also make sure diaper changes are not a problem. Then, your baby can use this sleeping bag every season but summer. The ideal room temperature ranges between 64 to 71 degrees F to cut down on overheating issues. Your baby's feet can stick out the end of the bag. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.